Hey! The house again. It's a damp day, but it's nice clouds around the mountains, and it rained last night, so the garden doesn't need watering today. I'm going to show you what we're up to today. Come this way. We've got two things going right now. We've got guys picking. We've got Nicole picking. What are you doing, Nicole?
Hello. We are picking tomatoes, little tomatoes. The red one to eat it, and the green ones to make chutney.
Chutney! We're going to have chutney that might last a year or so, and it's going to be a French recipe given to you by your grandmother, I guess.
Yeah.
Ah, so
sure.
it's going to be one of the most amazing green tomato chutney recipes ever. So we're going to fill up, just to show you, we've got quite a few here. So we're going to go and pick right through these guys because they're coming to the end of the season. So we'll try and get as much as we can off them and use them as much as we can to honor them. Later we're going to eat a vegetarian vegan meal tonight. Everything from the garden. We're going to take some daikon to help thin out these guys. Come this way, Angela. We're going to have one of these beautiful kohlrabi as well, because they haven't got woody yet and it's just perfect time to have one. We will have some radish, and we will have perhaps some sweet potato as well. We'll dig those up and see if we've got any. So under there should be some nice sweet potato. So it's going to be a vegan vegetarian dinner. Goodbye, the house!